心は進化するよもっともっと
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reacting to ATEEZ comeback called Fireworks, I'm the One. I'm so excited for this. The only downside of this comeback is Mingy's not going to be here. I didn't see him in the teasers, I didn't hear him in the album medley, I didn't see him in anything, but people said that he's going to be in the album, so I don't know. I just wish he was in the music video because I miss him. But I hope he's doing okay. He's been out for back problems for like a while, since like what, 2019? So I hope he's okay. But I'm excited for this. I know they released like a snippet of the music video. I didn't react to it because I didn't want to get spoiled. I'm so scared. San's pink hair? San has pink hair. And him in a crop top. Chow. Anyways. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just react to this because I am so scared. Oh my god. This came out a few hours ago, so let's just start. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I've missed ATEEZ. They're my second favorite boy group. Oh my god. And this was in the Thanks music video. So cool. The auto-tune. Is that Youngsun? Will he get lines? Oh. Look how fine that man is. Jungho. Mingy! They're contacting him! What? Yo, this slaps. Look at, you know. Okay, I'm feeling the auto-tune. Yes, Hongjun. Oh, this hits. Bro, I want to go to an ATEEZ concert so bad. Yeah, no, he's my baby. Son. Woo Young, I haven't seen the Homie video. I like this song. The visuals though, look at the sky. I'm glad. I'm glad that Youngsung is getting lines. Driving? Oh, so cool! Someone, oh, that long hair. That crop top. Bro, this is like a turn up song. The dancing, bruh. Oh my god. Where the hair go? Yo, Sama is owning this. And San. The red crop top. The flag. What is he wearing? They're wearing leather, y'all. Oh, I like this. The fireworks! Bruh, the red outfits. Ugh. No, because imagine what Mingy would look like in here. Like, I'm so upset he's not here. It's not his fault, obviously, but I'm so upset. Girl, what was that? I'm concerned. That was good. It's. I was about to say it's not my favorite ATEEZ title track. It isn't, but I feel like it could be. Like, I feel like I need to listen to it more. But that was good. The visuals are my favorite part. Like, they said high budget. Okay. Because after what was their last comeback? Inception? Look, after Inception, we finna give y'all high quality music video. And can we please talk about the red outfits? Yo, the red outfits are my favorite. They were in leather. Latex? I think it's latex. It's latex. I said leather. It's latex. But wow, that was good. My favorite is the dancing in the chorus, but that was really good. And I'm glad that we get to see more of Youngsung because he's always forgotten in these freaking comebacks. So I'm glad he got some time. Oh my god, that was good. I'm gonna listen to it again. But dang, that was super good. So I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe. You can check out my other content if you want. I did a reaction to Pixie, a new girl group that debuted a few days ago. I released my reaction yesterday, so if you want to check it out, you can. And make sure to follow me on my social media if you want. And I'll see you guys next time whenever I post. Bye!